It's 5 minutes to 9. We did good, because normally we start at like 10:30, 11, and we don't usually finish till like 12 or 1. So we're already on a good start. Back to my channel. So I was really inspired by the bonus video, Valentine's Day video. I was really inspired by that makeup. Truthfully, I love like makeup from the 1940s. I think it's just so classic and it's just so pretty. It's so feminine. It's everything that I'm not. So I just find it really I just find it to be a really beautiful look, and I kind of liked how I went with it yesterday. I feel like I took a more modern approach to the more 1940s traditional look, but today I thought I'd go way more traditional, or try and get as close to traditional as I possibly can, because, you know, we don't have all of the products that we had back in the 40s. A lot of them are kind of modernized, or they know about minerals that we shouldn't have been using that were in cosmetics. So I'm gonna try and get as close to it as I can, but I've kind of been really inspired by it. I can see if I can pop up her picture somewhere around here. Oh my god, what's her name? Cameron? Or what's her name? Carmen, that Carmen character from Captain America, the First Avenger. I think she's so pretty, by the way. Oh my god, she's so pretty. And the 1940s look just works just beautifully on her. So she's kind of my inspo, along with, I really like the looks of Joan Crawford, even Betty Davis. Probably, I believe Ava Gardner was around at that time, like Doris Day, like that really like 1940s, 1950s kind of look, which is what I'm also attempting with my hair. So it's the first time I've ever followed more of a traditional 1940s hairstyle pattern. I've never really done that before. I've usually done the kind of modern interpretations of it. So today I just thought I'd do something a little bit more traditional. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I just took a flat iron, did some really defined curls, curl it up and just pin it, and I would do it counterclockwise and clockwise. I would also put the pins on and to hold it, and after I was done, I put hairspray, I dried it, and I just let it cool and let the curls set. I went ahead and also did my eyebrows off camera. I also wanted to do it more of a traditional 1940s look. Do you like the intro? I went to Canva and I just started like playing around with it. I wasn't really doing anything crazy. Yeah, I was really digging it. I really like the intro. It's kind of everything that I want this channel to be, like really fun and youthful, but at the same time, you know, beautiful and just fun. I just really want us all to have fun here. I do have my mirror down here, but I think I'm probably going to use the viewfinder just to give, I don't know, just honestly just because I'm being lazy. But I'm going to take the Real Techniques buffing brush. I love this for foundation. I love this brush for cream products. It is a real, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, excuse me, it's dirty, sorry. But it's really just has a dome-like, it's really fluffy, but it's very dense. I really love this brush. I really enjoy it, and it's just amazing for cream products. I swear by this brush. And Real Techniques, they have a YouTube channel. I think it's called Sammy. It was called Pixie Woo for a very long time. I think they changed their channel name by like Sammy and Joe, or Jojo and Sammy, or something like, I don't know. I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Dewy and Smooth. It's a normal to dry formula, so it is going to be more on the oilier side. My skin is very dry in general, and I just need that extra. Any kind of moisture is welcomed on my skin. But they didn't have a whole lot of like dewy skins in the 1940s, so I am going to mattify it, and I'm going to set it using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in True Beige. And I'm also going to take a dual fiber brush. This was one of my first makeup brushes that I have ever purchased for myself. When I first started using makeup, you know, when you first start on makeup, you always go with like the super cheap stuff. So I went with like BH Cosmetics, I went with Elf, I went with and then I think I upgraded very quickly to like NYX, and then very quickly after that it was like MAC and stuff like that. But these were one of the first sets of brushes that I ever got. This is the professional line. They do have their dollar section, their $3, $5, like it goes up in tier, and this is the $3 section. I have had this puppy for I've had this guy forever, and it's never steered me wrong. It has lasted. So if you're gonna go for like makeup products, if you're new, I would definitely go to Elf. Their products are bomb. Maybe I can do like a review of, you know, Elf, their new products out, because I hear some really good things. I hear some really good things about the Elf product. So right now I'm just going to use the duo fiber brush and just kind of tap it along my skin on top of that foundation, because I don't want to move it. I still want it to be pretty pigmented. I just need it to be a little bit more matte. You know, no shine in here. I also need to get like a really nice bronzer. I've been wanting to try the Coco Chanel Tan de Soleil, and I was first introduced to the product by Jaclyn Hill. I was watching one of her videos and she was demoing the Chanel Tan de Soleil, and she was like, oh my god, it's one of my favorite products. And it went on her like a dream. Like, I love those types of product that just melt onto your skin and just give you that like natural like golden goddessness. It's so pretty. But for some reason I could never justify buying it. I don't know why. I think it's like a $65 product. But guys, I think this is gonna be the year. This is gonna be the year that I finally cave and I just grab it and see how it happens. But if you want me to review that, maybe I'll get it. Maybe I'll get it if I get like a review. Give it a thumbs up and I'll tell you what I think about it. I do want to try that new also Gucci foundation that came out. Did you guys see? Oh, it's so good. It looks really good. I've seen a lot of like really good product reviews on it. So, all right. Trying to be really neat as I go. I'm always like frantically trying to clean everything up at the end because it's a really small corner in my room. And I really got to find a better system of like organization. I'm just going to take a little bit of that blush on the duo fiber brush, because I just really want a subtle of color. I don't want too much. Okay, so next I'm just gonna take a really fluffy dome brush. This one is from Makeup Forever, and the brush 242 Wavy, I believe. I'm just gonna sweep it all over the lid. I just want to mattify it. And I'm using the color Brulee by MAC. Next, I'm going to be taking a white eyeliner pencil. This is the one Wet n Wild. Looking back at pictures from actresses in the 1940s, were heavy on the lashes up top, really minimal in the bottom. Like, I don't even think they put mascara in the bottom lashes, to be honest. And I saw a lot of like white eyeliner. It was to make the eyes look really big and doll-like. I'm just going to line my underwater line and then we are back. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wing my liners, add on my red lips, and I'm going to finish combing out my hair, and we'll see what the final look. Alright guys, that is the final look. I really like how this came out, and I am digging the hair situation. It is adorable. It is super cute. Yes, it is. It's a little bit of work. I'm not gonna lie. This was a little bit of work, but I so love how it came out. It is just a super just classic look. I mean, you can't go wrong with a really pretty wing liner, some lashes, and a red lip. Like, you really can't, and it's just so pretty. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, if you found it entertaining, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. I come back to you with a new video every single Friday. I hope everybody has a safe, happy, and healthy morning, day, week. I will see you guys again. Thank you so much. Bye guys.